Today we're going to create the brown derby.
Grapefruit,
Berry beet.
honey, and this one.
Right. She's going to experience her first very strong whiskey drink. Actually, it's not her first. It's not her second, but it is at least her fourth.
Like third.
Yeah, something like that. Welcome to Continental Cocktails. Dan, Derek, and Brianna. We're going to make for you the brown derby.
You finally hit it.
Yep.
He finally hit it.
Daughter,
It's like
friend,
the 15th
Derek.
taping we've done.
Two dads.
Two dads, one bourbon. We're going to do 2 ounces of bourbon, 1 ounce of grapefruit juice, ½ ounce of honey syrup.
Honey.
So you're like,
syrup is.
what's honey syrup?
Ooh, I'm not
what is
super
honey
thrilled
syrup?
about that.
Honey syrup? You know what honey syrup is? You took
Honey and water. I've seen you make it.
Wow.
You know, it's really,
Spoiler alert.
Wow.
it's so much easier.
Nothing special, Dad.
Nothing to see here.
Nothing is here. Just keep it going.
I'm remembrant.
I guess, I don't think that's how you
I
say
know
that.
this.
What?
I guess when you live in a house with people making cocktails and stuff all the time, you pick
Always
up some
surrounded
stuff.
by alcohol.
Yeah, always surrounded by alcohol.
My whole life.
Whole life.
Mm. Good thing they're older now.
That's right. They can't take them away. They're adults.
Yeah, you're like, shit, please take them away.
Whatever.
Dan gets all like flustered when children are drinking. That's why he doesn't
That
let
was
us.
his child.
Yeah, just his
Just my
child.
child. I don't care.
Oh, wait, he's in college now. He's gonna drink.
Oh, I know. Oh, trust me.
He knows. He didn't say he was okay with it.
Yeah.
He'll get his first blackout and then he'll learn.
Oh, shit.
I think I just blacked out.
Uh-oh, big crack down the middle.
It was already there.
Mm.
There's 2 cracks actually. This drink goes back to the 1930s. The Savoy Cocktail Book has this. Hollywood Cocktails third printing. He's waiting. The Hollywood Cocktail Book calls it the Brown Derby. The Savoy Cocktail Book, if you want to make this out of the Savoy, you're going to find it's called the, how do you say it? The Rigueur? Rigueur?
Day,
cocktail?
probably.
De Rigueur cocktail?
Day Rigueur.
Rigueur?
What are you
De
guys trying?
Rigueur.
What are you both reading right now?
Right there. De Rigueur. See right there?
Day Rigueur.
De regret.
Rigueur.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah,
I
he's
was.
Broder, so he should know.
I wasn't totally wrong. It's not
It's like Broder, but Rigueur. So
Careful.
the recipes are identical, right? It's 1/2 ounce of whiskey, 1/4 ounce of grapefruit juice, 1/4 ounce of honey. In our case, we just doubled it, tripled it, quadrupled it, 4 times. Yeah. Whatever that basic recipe is times 4. Who would drink this the way he has this?
Don't spill it.
That would be a 1 ounce drink, a brown derby by this. A 1/2 ounce of whiskey, 1/4 ounce of grapefruit
half
juice,
ounce
like the original ones. The ratios are so freaking tiny.
Maybe they had small glasses back then.
Oh, glasses? Yeah,
Half a
It's
whiskey.
called a shot glass.
Half a grapefruit, quarter
Okay.
grapefruit, quarter honey.
Shake well and strain into cocktail glass. Nasty. Nasty.
You don't want to spill.
Right.
You guys are like really sucking that up.
Oh,
She's not a fan.
wow, big suck without knowing what that was going to be.
This is where Dan goes.
That's what she said. Yeah.
I get it. It was too
I didn't even know how to react when I drank this. You got that coming at me. I had a sip in my mouth. I'm just like, shit, I don't know if I like this or I want to laugh. Or like,
You could have just sprayed it.
You just messed it all up.
Yeah.
I tend to do that to others.
Mm.
You don't like that? The honey?
No, I don't like that.
It's like a little sweet honey.
It's too much going on for me.
100 proof with some grapefruit.
I mean, it's not strong.
I tend to
What?
disagree there.
It's kind of strong though.
I think it's strong.
I mean, I guess.
One sip
I mean-
and you'd blow a .08.
I mean, I guess it's a Friday, so it's not strong for me.
It's so it's 2 ounces of 100 proof bourbon and an ounce of grapefruit and a little bit of sugar.
Yeah.
I mean, it's 2 miles.
It's a Sunday afternoon at the Derby.
You diluted it down.
Watching my horses and
It reminds you of bees knees.
yes.
You like jazz? Gary B. Benson.
No, not
That's all I
Seinfeld.
can think of when I hear Seinfeld.
Yeah, I'm like, oh, who's this? Like Seinfeld.
It does remind me of the bee's knees.
I was like, why are you watching?
Gary B. Benson.
No, what's the movie? Oh, the Bee Movie.
Oh,
Literally the easiest name
Oh,
ever.
it's a Seinfeld.
Sting. Like I got stung.
Ladies and gentlemen, be able to quote freaking cartoons.
You like jazz? Oh.
Well, there you go.
It's kind of weird because the bee and the human it's a little
Well,
weird.
The bee's knees is a cocktail, which you like because you had one when you did it on TikTok.
No, I know. I was like,
I mean, you
but
didn't
I didn't drink it because I wasn't of age
at that time.
At the time, I am now. But when we were TikToking it up,
Right.
But you told me that it was good.
Yeah, right.
It's not a bad drink.
It's easy.
It's just not.
I probably wouldn't drink it again.
No.
It was great to test.
Like I don't know, it doesn't like do anything for me. Like
It's as close to a Manhattan, like you're just it's whiskey, and then you're just choosing what to go with the whiskey. And in this case, you're choosing honey and grapefruit versus
like the honey and grapefruit together make me go
Weird.
It gives me that like
Yeah, but
yeah, right.
It feels sick.
Like when you
when you're sick.
like when you sit and you're like
feel sick. Yeah.
But a lot of tiki cocktails have like honey and
That doesn't make it
honey
better.
and grapefruit
I know.
and cinnamon.
Ooh.
It works. But yeah,
Like you can taste it all. Like
I would rather have a bee's knees than this, and I don't really
Yeah.
know why. I think maybe because there's no grapefruit juice in bee's knees.
it might be the grapefruit. No, because bees knees just
It's just the sour.
it's just
mix, right?
gin and
with honey.
lemon and honey.
Yeah.
I mean,
Well, maybe his gin pairs with lemon better than.
yeah. I mean,
But it
lemon
is-
and honey is like grapefruit and honey.
It's okay.
It's okay. I mean,
It's
it's okay. Like it's an
It's
okay
fine.
drink. Like it's
It's fine.
Yeah, I just wouldn't want to pay like $18 for that at the bar. Because actually, you know what?
No.
If you pay for this at the bar, that's what it would be in Boston. $18.
Well,
Around
maybe
here,
not
it'd be
even in
12.
Boston. 13, 14.
Not in Boston. Here.
No, I'm saying.
Yeah, here. It'd be like 12, 13. 14 on a Thursday night, whatever. Yeah, I agree. I wanted to try it. I don't. So there's two things. The taste is okay. It's just not. I don't want to say it's not worth making because it's not complicated, but you do need to have honey and all that bullshit, and you have to squeeze grapefruit and all that bullshit.
It's kind of complicated.
Yeah, it's complicated.
grapefruit's probably the hardest part because like you never
You just fucking see the grape. That's 2 grapefruits.
usually have lemon and lime. Usually never have grapefruit.
Well, we do, but
I went
Yeah.
to buy grapefruit tonight.
Oh, we do.
We have this frozen.
Right. Well, that one wasn't frozen because I didn't have any because we drank it all. So I bought grapefruits in this time of the season. They're the size of like this. They're like these big fucking tumors, and you cut them and like you got to carve off all of the rind to get it into the big production squeezer. It's so freaking huge. And then the end of it, like it still ends up with all these like
Productions.
like that thing there. That's a beast. That thing murders people. And when you squeeze down on it, like all the lime is on the edges, or all the grapefruits kind of like all the juicy parts are like making a ring around the squeezer thing. You're like, how am I supposed to get the juice out of the edges? It's a big pain in the ass. I like the Texas pink grapefruits that you cut, and they're like
this big.
manageable size.
That's like
We can't handle the big grapefruits
No.
here.
That's like the guy from the Bee Movie that tries to kill Barry.
What the fuck do you want? So there you go.
With a ten-
We're
He
done.
tries to flush them on his toilet.
yeah, I think you went off the rails.
I'm over here. Here's the rails, and they're like, and they're off the rails in the woods someplace, and you see a dust cloud. Sidebars, there's some videos over there down below.
I mean, I would drink this.
Bartender start a drink.
Just only once.
Bartender started get link below. And don't forget it. If you're watching our show, you can also watch it on Rumble because that's where all the Republicans go.
Oof. Don't want to go there.
Look at you, drink.